Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno 5 Lite, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go to the notification bar, and here on the left upper corner, you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. Just tap once on the icon, and as can you see, the icon is green. That means that you turn on your Wi-Fi. Just to select the network, just press for a while on the Wi-Fi icon and you'll see all the available networks. Just to turn it off, tap here again to the Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. The second way, that just go to the settings and here tap to the Wi-Fi section. Now just turn on the Wi-Fi by tapping on the switcher, and you will see now all the available networks. Now, for example, I'll go in with this network. Just type here the network password. Here you can see the password by tapping on this eye icon, and just tap to OK. Now, as can you see, our device successfully connected to this network. If you wanna just choose another network, you can forget or remove this network from your phone, and also you can choose another one by the same way. And if you want, just turn off the Wi-Fi, tap again to the switcher, and that's it. So if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.